You don't allow the enemy to come in here and try to sabotage nothing. When we know that we're used to flying at a certain altitude, no matter what it takes, we got to get to that altitude so we can get to the next level.